Madison's mayor doesn't get the final say on how to spend the city's money, but she plays a big part in the process. Satya Rhodes Conway presented her plan for next year.
It's filled with a lot of difficult cuts and changes. Amy Reed live with us now to explain where the mayor wants the city to focus its resources. Amy?
The city is having to make up for a $25 million shortfall that's partly due to the coronavirus. The mayor said this proposal has to balance that with still moving forward on the city's priorities.
As you all know, 2020 has been an absolutely unprecedented and challenging year.
Challenges that are spilling over into next year as the mayor announced millions in proposed budget cuts.
Some of our biggest challenges, like the COVID-19 pandemic and the housing crisis, are made worse by the lack of response at the federal level. Partisan gridlock at the state level has also hindered our response.
Rhodes Conway planned for $3.3 million cuts to agency budgets, including 5% in her own office. She said every department is impacted, though she intentionally tried to minimize the hit to social services.
Madison's residents need our social and public health services now more than ever. And that's why I did not make any cuts to the Community Development Division.
She also doesn't want to see the city take any steps back on equality, which means changes in the police department. The mayor is proposing the fire department develop a crisis intervention team and crossing guards move to city engineering. She also wants to start a violence prevention unit as part of the public health department. Rhodes Conway said she also needs the police and fire unions to renegotiate parts of their contracts she said are no longer realistic, and she's asking the chief to find $1 million to cut. The police department told us Chief Wall will be reviewing the 2021 executive operating budget with command staff to determine the impact on MPD and public safety in Madison. He will focus on finding the best path forward to balance tight budget constraints with the needs of the department and the community. This budget is far from set. The city council will be unpacking and repacking it over the next few months before they have to approve the final version for 2021.